Hey, what's up, guys? I'm Cody Steele. I'm kind of a virgin to YouTube, but I'm going to do some sound effects tonight. I know there's a lot of good sound effects impersonators, but I believe there's a lot better in Minnesota, and I believe I'm one of them. So I want to get all the farmers around all these, towns and little small towns and cities. Get in here closely and listen to these sound effects and tell me what you think of them. All right, we got a two-stroke dirt bike. Everybody grew up on two-stroke dirt bikes. Here we go. Or now today's two strokes are kind of the thing of the past a little bit now with four strokes. Yamaha YZF 250Fs or four strokes 450Fs, the series of four strokes. Or there's no longer with that. Now we're going back into street bikes. We got VMAXs like VMAX Old Timer 1987 Maximum 750. Or some people want that roaring Harley Davidson. We all love Harley Davidsons, the Sporties, the Night Trains. It's all the same, baby. Four strokes and all that Harley Davidsons are all cool, but we want speed, YouTube likes speed. Everyone loves, speed. Crotch Rocket Ninja 900. Or, semis. We're all big semi fans. We hear them every day when we're trying to sleep, or we hear them when we're just out walking the dog. Here comes a big semi coming down a big hill. Detroit. That's the big corn hauling trucks, the big Peterbilts, But we're into Yellow Company or Valley Cartage, a guy over here, or trucks that are just semis, Regular standardized internationals with a Jake. With diesel sounds are so wide open, you guys. We got the Detroit, we got that. We got the tractor pull. The tractor pulls are the big semi tractors. Let's bring back a 4020 converted with an 1800 horse, big Detroit. Bring it back, guys. Welcome to the 2013 Eitzen Family Fun Fest. We got ourselves a great show with PTA. Bring it back. The big 1800 horse Screaming Mimi out of Madison, Wisconsin. He's almost ready, guys. Fire that big Cummins up. $297.5 for the Screaming Mimi out of Madison. We got ourselves a new leader, everyone. Give it up for Dale Jarrett out of Caledonia, Minnesota. He's a sponsorship through Quillen's IGA. With the diesels, I love diesels, but I love V8s a lot more. I grew up with the V8 Chevy 350s, the 440s. We'll bring the V8 back, the truck pull. Check your tachometers, check your fuel gauge. Whoa, whoa! Oh, we got her locked up, guys. We're in for a real treat. Here he comes. He's going to start his engine up, check his boost, and we're off to the races. 2, 1. Whoa, we got a fire out there, a little antifreeze leak, but we sure will get it cleaned up. We're going to give him another run after this, guys. We'll just take a little 15-minute intermission here. I think he's got it running again. Yes, he does. Not a good run, but he did it. Otherwise, we got auctioneers. It's wide open. 135 now, 140. 145, 145 now, 150. It's a great lawnmower, guys. It's a Craftsman. It's a great 48-inch cut. Would you give me 40? 140. 140 now, 140. 145, 145. 145 once. 200. Would you give me 200? Bring the price up on. That's a nice lawnmower. 200. 225, 25. 250. Oh, there's a NASCAR again. Chainsaw. How many of you guys watch swamp loggers? They gotta have airboats to get to their alligators, their swamp loggers, anything swamp people. We got Shelby in an airboat. Yeah, we're gonna get some alligators today, Papa. Weed wagger. That's pretty much it. I got a lot more stuff, guys, but I'm going to get right there. I'm going to stop you there. If you like this, like me, we'll make some more videos. I got a lot more beatboxing. A lot more coming at you. See what you think of me. Cody Steele, Calhoun, Minnesota. Thanks a lot, guys.